Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel and please watch the video till the end, because if I make any in between changes, you will be able to note that changes if you see the video till the end. So coming to this week, joy of computing using Python of assignment 11. Friends, these are my probable answers, and finally it's you to decide to choose these answers or not. So coming to first question, which of the following methods cannot be used to identify an element on the web page? So the answer for this is option D, send keys. And coming to second question, identify the Python library required for browser automation. So the library used for browser automation is Selenium. That is first option, and previous first question is fourth option. And coming to third question, pick out the driver method to open a website in Selenium. So if you see this, they have given Selenium. That is what the first option of second question answer. And coming to third question, the answer is option B, driver.get method. And coming to fourth question, what is the purpose of the given command when we request to open a web page? What is the command? Wait equal to web driver wait and parameters driver comma 600. So the answer for fourth question is option C, to give buffer time for the driver in case there is a slow network connection. So option C is the answer for fourth question. Coming to fifth question, in browser automation we have identified the login box. Identify the instruction to type your name and press enter. So what is the answer for this? Option A, login box dot send keys of name plus keys dot enter. This is the command or instruction. Coming to sixth question, which of the following libraries can be used to print time according to different time zones? So sixth question answer is PYTZ. That is fourth option. And coming to seventh question, how will you find the day of the week, comma, given a date? That means they have given a date and we have to find the day of the week. So the code for that question is option A, because here we are specifying all the names of a week, possible names of a week, that is Sunday to Saturday. And here we are giving a date, that means year, month, and finally the date. So in this format we are giving, and here weekdays of 5. So this means the date here will choose between the weekdays, that's range from Sunday to Saturday. So option A, that means first program or first code snippet. Coming to eighth question, they have given a small code and they are asking to find the output. So the answer for this is option A, that is month equals 10. Coming to ninth question, that is last but one question of this week, what is the last argument for the date time function in the following command? So the answer is microseconds, because year, month, day, and minutes, seconds, milliseconds, microseconds. And coming to final question of this week, how will you retrieve current date using date library? So the answer for this is option A, that is date.today method. So friends, I am going to submit these answers. I hope the video is helpful for you. If you feel the same, subscribe our channel, like this video and share to your friends. Until then, be safe, be happy, keep supporting us. Thank you, bye.